So under this video, we are going to talk about IXL A1 for year 5, which is place values. So under place values, we know there are a couple of place values. How place values are meant to be. So first we have ones, tens, hundreds. Then the family of thousands. So 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then the family of million. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Then billions, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Then trillion, trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. That's how these families work. So in short and sweet, and we have done this at our own class. If you go to your class notes, you will definitely see. If you haven't done this, please let me know. We can go through it again. Yeah, cool. Anyway, let's go to the questions which we have. So let me first go to the IXL and then year 5 and then part bar place values. All right. In 8,536, which digit is in the tens place? So 8,500. So what is the tens place of this? Okay, we got 8, 5, 36. I told you ones and then tens. The digit in tens place is 3. Yeah, so we are going to put 3. That's correct. And then in 9,612, which digit is in the hundreds place? So hundredth place, what will it be? This is ones, tens, and this is hundreds. So this 6 is in the hundreds place. That's good. I think you can't see the score which I'm doing at the moment. You have to definitely know how our scores work, isn't it? So let me, yeah, there you go. Okay, that's better. Then they're asking how many hundreds. Okay, first thing, how to understand what this number is. 10 tens. 10 tens has extra 1 0. So 10 tens are hundreds. And how many hundreds are there? So then 100 has how many zeros? 2 zeros. So cut off the 2 zeros. It's only 1. Here it is easy. What is it saying? 2,000. So 2,000 has 2 thousands. 500, 572. So 2,572. That's how it works. Next one. This thing 9,260. 926. This one 60,000, 3,000, 60,000 and 3,000 will be 63,000. Plus 100 will be 100, 130 and a 6. 63,136. Next one 800,000 and another 1,000. So 800 and 1,000. And 700, 330 and 1. 730. Oh, it's a 1, not a 2. And then 300,000. 10,000. So if it is too hard to understand, write that number down. 300,000 will be 300 and 1,000. 5 10,000s. So 5, that means 50,000. 3,000s. So 3,000. 200s. 9 tens and 6 ones, and then add them all up. So this will be a 6 and a 9 and a 2 and a 3 and a 5 and a 3. Add them all up. So it's actually 353,296. 100,000 and a 40,000, 140,000 and a 4, 144,000. 940 and a 2 will be 942. 900,000, 80,000, 5060 and a 2. 985,000 and a 60. So no hundreds there. And a 2. Or you can just write them all down, correct, straight down, and then add them up. And that would help you to get the answer. 200,000. Okay, 20,000. So let's write down 20,000. How do you write this digit? So 20,000. So 20 and a 1,000 and a 29 more. 20,000 and 29 will be 20,000. 20,029. Then 60 ones. 60 ones means 60 times by 1. 60 times by 1 is 60. Then what times by 10 is that 60? 6 times by 10. Easy. What is the number underlined in the digit word 17? This is a 7 and 3, 7,000. This is just a 7. This is 700. This is a 70. 7 and 1 digit left. In 524,836, what digit is in the 100,000 place? So let's have 100,000, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. That's 5. What number has 200,000, 6, 10,000, 5,000? Okay, that's a bit of a work. What I would do is, I will just copy these numbers. So what are they saying? 200,000. So 200,000. So 200 and a 3 zeros. That's 200,000. And then they are saying me 6 10,000. So 60,000. And then 5,000. And then 800. Another 3 as well. So if I add them all up, I should get a 2, 6, 5, 8, 0. Oh, wait, not 3. It's a 3 tens. So 3 tens are 30. And another extra. What is there? And another 6 ones. So that's a 6 as well. So we had to add them all up. That will be a 2, 6, 5, 8, 3, 6. One times 10,000. 1 times 10,000 will be just a 10,000. Is equal to, what are they asking? How many hundred? What times 100? 100 times 100. Pretty obvious. So there means I should write a 100 here. 500,000 and 30,000 will be 530,000 and another 5,000, 535,000. 535,000. And a 390 and a 3 will be a 393. I always like to think with groups and it's easy. 4 10,000, 8,000, that means 48,000, 100, 5 tens and no ones will be 100 and 100 and a 5 tens 50 and no ones is no nothing, 150. So 48,150. 8,000 times 10 is 8,000 times 10 will be 80,000. And in 80,000, how many 10,000s are there? 80,000 times 10,000. 8 times 10,000 is 80,000, right? Yeah. So 18,000 are there. And then 1,900,000 will be 1,900,000. So 1 million, let's write it down. 900,000 and a 2,000 will be a 902,000. That's the family of 1,000. And then 909 will be 909. 1,700,000 will be 1 million. Million family is done. 700,000, 10,000 and 2,000 will be 712,000. 870 and a 7 will be 877. What is the value underlined in the digit? So what is that? 6 with how many zeros are at the back? How many digits are after that? 3 more digits. So that talked about 6,000. Even if you read it, 596,000. 6,000 is, yeah, that's the value. 6,000. 1 million. 1 million, 1 times million. That is just a 1 with how many zeros? 6 zeros. And then 100,000. 100,000 has, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 10,000s have 4 zeros, 100,000 have 5 zeros. If I take that 5 zeros off, I'm going to be left over with a 10. And then the last question. Let's read it. 6 million. How many millions are there? 6. 122,000. How many 100,000s are there? 100. 20 10,000s and 2,000s. 562. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds are there. 60, 6 tens are there, and 2 ones are there. And that's how we finish the task of Year 5 A1 place values.